guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys my final reveal of my front porch decorate with me video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you love it. And before I show you that, I want to show you something super quick. I know you guys hate when I do this, but I love it anyways. I'm so sorry, but you guys might like this one because I really like it. It's really cool. So this company called Charmed Aroma sent me this candle. It is a birthday cake. It smells amazing and I love everything about this company. They have the best smelling candles ever. I only have this one, so that's all I know, but it smells amazing. I recently had a friend come over and she's like, how many candles do you have burning? I'm like, just one. Where did you get it? Right here. You guys, I like this one because it has jewelry inside. So you burn it for a little while. I only had to burn this much of the candle and my jewelry came out. So I was really excited. It's like wrapped up in tin foil and it's awesome. So they sell candles, they sell bath bombs. Gotta check out their website. It's super fun, super colorful, super pretty, and you'll get lost inside their website. Anyways, you guys, I got this ring right here. I think the really fun thing about this website is that you can get your jewelry appraised on there. So it gives you a code that is on your ring and you can get it appraised to see how much it was worth. I liked that. Not that I'm gonna sell it or anything, but I thought that was cool. It can be like $50,000 to $5,000 possibly. I cannot remember exactly, but I didn't get the $50 ring, so I thought that was even better. This one is appraised at $200. I thought that was cool. Can I get a good view for you? I don't know. There it is, you guys. Super cute. It looks like a wedding ring. Looks like an engagement ring. I don't know, but I like to wear it. You get to choose your size. They have between sizes 5 and 12. So if you have fingers like that size, then I suggest that you go ahead and shop this website. Anyways, I'm going to get started with my video and show you how I decorated my front porch. Links in the description box below to check these out. So this is the wonderful before of my porch. It is very bare. I started adding some things, but I just kind of threw it out there because I had no other space for it, but it was pretty boring and pretty sad. So I got this little galvanized tin for $17 at Hobby Lobby when they had that big sale. If you guys didn't check out that video, make sure you check that out. I love the Hobby Lobby, yes. I love the Hobby Lobby clearance haul. I just added some flowers right here and they are still doing pretty well. I was told to use topsoil, not potting soil. Yes, they were wrong. I totally know that now. My flowers are dying. Not all of them, but some of them are just dying. But anyways, I thought this looked really cute and this is how I started off decorating my porch. So when I moved in here, there is tons of paint and everything on my front porch. So if you guys have any do you guys know how to get that off? Please let me know. I would love to get that paint off my porch. It has been there for 9 years now and I cannot get it off. So the first thing that I like to do is just clean everything. I like to use the all-purpose cleaner by Method in Grapefruit. It smells amazing and it makes everything shine and it cleans off really well. You can use it on the windows. You can use it on everything because it's an all-purpose cleaner. And then I just took the broom and swept it so you can see all like the little paint marks and things like that. They're there to stay, I think, but I don't know. And there's Presley running around in her pajamas because it was one of those mornings where nobody felt like getting dressed but me, so I did, and it's okay. And then I have this little bench. I got that from Tractor Supply. I love Tractor Supply. We love that place so much. I love their decor there. Their outdoor decor is even better. And then I just have this barrel. I got this from my grandma from a really long time ago. And I thought that it would look good out here for now. I will bring it in the winter time. I usually decorate it inside anyways. But it doesn't get super wet up here, so I wasn't too upset. You know, I wanted to leave it out there. I thought it would be just fine. And then I have a crate I took from my mom's house. And then I just have some redone pots. And they don't all have flowers in them yet, but I'm hoping that they will soon. And then that is just a pot that I made in a patio decor video I did for my mom. She didn't want everything that I made, so I did end up taking some home just because she didn't want to clean around everything, which was totally okay. And then I'm just decorating with a ton of DIYs. I will leave all of those porch decor videos in the description box below, so if you do want to check some of those fun videos out. I love making my own items for super cheap, and this was a very inexpensive way to decorate my porch. And then I'm just adding this welcome sign. I will leave the link in the description box below as well for that video. Like I said, I did a couple DIY videos on porch decorating, and this is how everything is turning out. I just decided to put this wreath on the front door with a reindeer hanger because I couldn't find a command hook, and I thought that this would work for now anyways. But I love the way this turned out. My husband got me a couple of Rae Dunn items for Mother's Day, so I just wanted to decorate with those as well. He thought I would actually use them in the garden, but he doesn't realize that Rae Dunn is not for using, it's just for decorating. Like, that is what I do in my house. But you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love to get some kind of doormat, so I know that is missing, but it probably will eventually blow away anyway, so I thought I would try to stay safe. I can't find one I like anyways, so let me know your recommendations for outdoor rugs, cute, pretty farmhouse, chickens, I don't care what they are, something cute. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
When I get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna